Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you need to find your motherboard model and serial number? Whether you are upgrading your PC or simply curious about your computer hardware, in this video we will show you two easy methods to find your motherboard details. So let's get started. The first method we will use in the built-in system information tool. So for that, first you have to press Windows plus R on keyboard to open the run window, and here you have to type msinfo32 and press enter. In the system information window, expand the system summary section. On the right side you will see a list of motherboard information including the baseboard manufacturer, which is your motherboard manufacturer, and you will also find the baseboard product, which is your motherboard model. Okay, and you will also find baseboard version over here. So this is how you can know your motherboard details. So now the second method, we will use the command prompt. So for that you have to type cmd in search and right click on it and click on run as administrator. So once the command prompt windows will open, and here you have to type one command: 𝑊MIC baseboard get product, comma manufacturer, comma version, comma serial number. So don't worry, the full command you will find in the description below, so that you can directly copy and paste over here. And finally hit enter. So now you will see your motherboard product, model and serial number displayed in the terminal. So that's it. So by following the methods we have shared, you can find your motherboard details. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.